Dave Portnoy joins us now to explain exactly what this moment means. Dave, this kind of gets to the heart of what you've been doing under quarantine, and I'm wondering what lessons we can draw from this. What is happening exactly?
You know, I've been trading heavily since quarantine started, and I was shocked by this. I personally did invest in AMC and Nokia. Those are two of the stocks that the Reddit guys and the Wall Street Bets guys were pushing. I believed in the power of the internet. When I saw what Robinhood was doing, ironically, Robinhood take from the rich and give to the poor, even though they do the exact opposite, I was stunned. I think it's criminal. I think there has to be an investigation. I think people have to go to jail. Whether that actually happens, I don't know. But I've never been more convinced about market manipulation and the people, the hedge funds, controlling the game than today. I mean, just to wake up and say, hey, you can't trade these stocks anymore. You can only sell them. We are going to intentionally crash the market in these stocks. And everyone who has it, tough, you're going to lose a ton of money, but we're going to save the rich people and the hedge funds. Shocking. Like in 20 years of me doing Barstool, I'm not exaggerating, it's the most shocked I've been, and maybe I shouldn't be, but you know, when you have AOC and Donald Trump Jr. both on the same side of an issue, you know something's dramatically wrong.
This seems like a betrayal of the basic promise of American public markets, which is they're transparent. It's purely meritocratic. I mean, that's why you've been able to make dough during quarantine. You make a bet, you're right, you win. I mean, how amazing is it to discover that that's not real?
Apparently it's real for them. And I love the lectures. You hear it from the hedge funds and the suits, as I call them, but they'll say they're protecting you and we're protecting you versus yourself, and people don't understand the risk and margin. And then you look at them, it's like, buddy, look in the mirror. You're doing the same thing. The hedge funds are betting against companies. We're betting on them with money and margin. We're doing the same thing. The only difference is we're winning and you're getting your teeth kicked in, and you just said, time out. We're changing the rules. And it's bananas. It cannot happen. And I saw the Robinhood guy, Vlad, he's on TV. He's lying through his teeth. Listen, the thing that really is scary, Robinhood, I'm going to give this guy a shred of credit. When he woke up and he said, we're going to halt trading and ruin our client base, he knew that was the end of Robinhood. Robinhood's done. That company will cease to exist because what they built it on, the day trader, the retail trader, they're never going back. So he willingly blew up his company today. He knew that was going to happen. Why? Who's in the back end? Who's pulling the strings? Who's making the decisions? We have to find out. And by the way, it's not enough just to be like, oh, we're going to slap you on the wrist and give you a fine. These are billionaires. They can write billion-dollar checks like we write $10 checks. Somebody has to go to jail for this. This was intentional market manipulation. And it's everyday people. It's just not the Reddit people. I have people hit me up all the time today, yesterday. They're putting their rent into this. They got caught up in the momentum. And if you lose money fair and square, fine. But nobody was under the impression somebody could just press the stop button and say, guess what? We can crash this stock without you having any say. You can only sell it. You can't buy it. What happened? This is like the movie Wall Street. It's insane.
I just read a piece about 15 minutes ago that said, and it seemed right, that Robinhood's real customer is not retail investors like you. Its real customer is the hedge funds. They sell data on trades to the hedge funds, which use it to their advantage. Assuming that's true, did you know that?
Well,
do you think anyone who used Robinhood knew that?
I didn't know that. I did not know that till today. I don't think anybody knew a lot of the things that were going on till today. You know, again, Robinhood was operating under the guise that this was a retail trading platform. A lot of people said I helped build it because we had all our retail bros, as they call them, going there. They literally in their bio said they're going to democratize trading. It's the exact opposite. And now they're saying we're going to go back to normal tomorrow. We're going to let everybody do our normal trading tomorrow. Well, Tucker, what changed? Oh, I'll tell you what changed. The billionaire hedge funds, they got out of their shorts tonight. So why is this behavior not risky tomorrow, but it was today? It's because they're being pulled by strings. It's criminal behavior, what happened today. Plain and simple, people have to go to jail. Plain and simple.